Better with some better now.
You've got to admit that I'm good in AA. Even though I say it myself. Right, now I don't play enough jazz, do I? So I'm going to play something specially for Kim. That was Spyro Gyra and the Shaker song, and that's especially for Kim Sherlock, because I know you love your jazz. Right, this one's Incognito, and it's Always There. I don't know what's always there, but it's there, isn't it? What's the time? Oh, nearly time for a cup of tea. Right, boys and girls, we're coming up to the end of another 45 minutes. I hope you enjoyed the tunes as much as I enjoyed playing you them. I have my own little party here, you know. That's great. Right, some more tomorrow night, 6 o'clock. So, if you're free, tune in and have a little listen. Thanks for listening to my tunes. If you're doing your fireworks, be safe everybody, have a good night. Love you all. See you later. Oh, hang on a minute, this is Aerotropics and Man Jumping. Bye.